Your home represents a substantial investment, and its foundation plays a pivotal role in ensuring its stability and safety. Overlooking signs of foundation distress can precipitate extensive damage and expensive repairs. In this blog post, we'll explore key indicators that your foundation might require attention and outline steps to take if these signs are present. 1. Wall cracks. Cracks in your foundation are prominent signs of issues. Vertical cracks, typically associated with the natural settling of a house. Horizontal cracks. These are particularly alarming as they may indicate external pressure on the foundation, posing more significant risks. 2. Uneven floors. Noticeable unevenness or slopes in your floors can signal foundation settling. It's worthwhile to routinely inspect different areas of your home for any changes in floor level. 3. Sticking doors and windows. Doors and windows that were once easy to operate but now stick or fail to close properly could suggest that your foundation has moved. 4. Gaps around windows and doors. Significant gaps appearing between door frames and walls or around windows often point to shifts in your foundation. These gaps can widen as the foundation moves. 5. Basement water. Damage issues, such as dampness or flooding in the basement, are not only problematic for waterproofing, but can also signify deeper foundation problems. Water accumulation near the foundation exacerbates these issues. Take action. Observing any of these symptoms warrants immediate attention. Addressing minor issues early can prevent them from evolving into major repairs. If you notice these warning signs, contact New England Foundation Crack Repair for a comprehensive evaluation and customized repair solutions. Our expert team is dedicated to helping you maintain a safe and stable home environment for the long term.